Dr. Eureka F.P. Lyngdoh, president of Meghalaya College Principals Council, who is also the principal of Sankardev College, in an interview with the media said that if the state had prepared itself for the common university entrance test ahead of its implementation 2 years ago, Meghalaya would not have faced a situation as it did recently. She also stated that the principals of colleges had spoken to the National Testing Agency that it should provide infrastructures well in regards to the CUET. It could be digital infrastructure or any other needs. The principal of Sankardev College said that the National Testing Agency should have set up examination centers in all the district headquarters so that the students can appear for the test in their own districts.
Bat kecil thok ya ke exam. Kalau aban long ke digital infrastructure, kalau aban day ke nong ke infrastructure, tihan ray kini kita bandon hamam lah ki district headquarter. Te kenang baki kena jongi ki la aban yo aban let bet halaki jong ki district. Kinemon
At Kalaipara in South